we there yet?
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Marquez McKinstry. We're gonna be making a video about how to fix my brother's headphones.
That you broke?
I didn't break them.
That's not what he said.
Really?
Really? Now, mind you guys, I wouldn't take any advice from us because we don't know what we're doing. We're just really
trying our best. Trying your best.
Troubleshooting.
What? We're not troubleshooting.
That's what troubleshooting means. It means you're testing ideas that pop up into your head to see if it works.
I would not recommend you do this at home alone.
Shock treatment. Yeah, I don't think that'll happen with these. I don't think the current is strong enough, and then they're not plugged anything, so a baby can do this.
No, you can still get it. See that thing?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
There isn't a source of power. Meanwhile, at the Batcave.
Dad, ain't no Batcave over here.
Marky, you should make the video interesting.
Shut up,
No,
Robin.
not really. It's just a video.
Really? So you probably said it every time.
What do you suggest,
Darius.
Dr. Darius?
Really? I suggest that you should stick to the wire on that.
I don't have a solderer.
What's that?
The thing that you mentioned earlier about you think.
The hot glue?
Yeah. Actually, that is called soldering. Is really what's happening is when they use a solderer, they like fuse the wires to the metal piece. It's like welding almost.
Yeah, I seen it on a video before. I used to watch a video of the worst the best creations that you could do out of school supplies.
Right. So,
And I was seeing what hot glue has some wires and stuff. Hook it to a battery and use an electric pencil.
and it does look like a pencil, doesn't it? And the sparks come out of it and all of that thing. We don't have one of those tools. Everybody, how you doing, everybody? How you doing, everybody?
Dad.
Anyway, yeah. So this is how it looks on the inside. Thanks, big brother. Thanks, big brother.
Okay.
Doesn't know his own strength.
Yeah. Really?
Well, as you see, we might not be able to fix these. Any other thoughts, Dr. Darius?
No.
Cat's got his tongue.
Dad.
Never heard of that. I have.
You do?
Yeah, on a TV show.
So if you know how to do a little of this stuff, I suggest you leave.
Nothing.
No.
Really, all we
leave
request.
a comment down below.
Yeah, leave a comment on what kind of headphones these are. If you recognize these headphones, give us a call at 1-800-Knuckleheads.
Oh.
1-800-Knuckleheads.com Gmail.
Really?
That's not a real website. All right, guys, we're cutting out of here.
Okay.
No.
It is Darius.
Sign it off.
His name's John